Another 1 minute soon done.
I don't know.
Ready for that? That's some magic tricks. God, I hate my God. All the goat and does not have enough fear in there. All the man don't have no fear. Nobody don't have no fear. At all. You're not bad enough today, you know. You're not going to allow it. You can't help it, but that's on the side of the road. Some street view, yeah. What Paul? Lord! As long as you can come back and get me from the beach. I'm going to wait for right there. You know, like, come on. What Tioga Center? What time now? We're still about good time. I could not get driving there. The man here walk with 6 kilo. Oh, him do it! I'm more than 6 kilo. Like 12. I know some I work with the schedule, son. I know some I work with the schedule. Time at beach, because the longer you stay at the beach, at the corner right again. problem like if you go to Yes, honey. With my old man Me know man, let me tell you something, no man limits now, me know me can't angle enough. I mean tell you something, me can't angle this. Hey, look how the dog I walk in the street, and them something me can't manage. At first I think it was a goat but then me do have to get used to the turn them to go.
You see church and they say the pastor will clap.
Yeah. Oh, I better suggest this show man one like this. Yeah, right. Right this. So you got kill people on the premises though. I told you.
Nothing? What, sacrifice? But I think that pool left.
Me that blick down the pool at short time.
You know, say now lick it down one time.
Exactly.
One day I need to lick it down. Lick it down a second time.
I might be clear up mash up. Going to the pool there. That get shots. And them blind spot are normal.
This is absolutely nothing. This is absolutely nothing. Nothing at all.
Jeez! Carla, get out there!
South Jamaica, the road small, the country small, the road small, the big old highway to drive by. Drive by. They reach here again now. Drive by. Check it.
Different one.